Hey, it's John with JohnLaguardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. And on today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of the Kokopelli Rogue Light Packraft. This thing is awesome. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. So if you haven't heard of Packraft name before, now's your time to Google it while I'm opening this up. So this is the complete Packraft. I don't want to open this like all the way. Yeah, why not? So you can see the size is a little bit bigger than me. I'm 5'7". Here's the inlet port for blowing this thing up. They do sell a micro pump. It's a micro USB pump. You can charge it, take it out, but included in here is also a bag that you can use to pump it up as well. So you just attach this to that valve, you get some air in here and you roll it up. Yeah, so we'll see how difficult that is. I'll try to put a time lapse together for you guys so you can check that out. Let's see what else is in here. A little Ziploc bag with a tube that you can use to kind of finish off the air at the end if you haven't quite gotten it all the way up. And looks like stickers, little patch kit, which can be very important to take with you, and some alcohol wipes as well for patching. So that's a nice little kit they give you. Let's see what else. We've got some straps. The beauty with a Packraft is that this thing is about the size of a paper towel roll, basically, maybe just a little bit bulkier. And you can use these straps to roll it up, put it on your backpack when you go backpacking, get up into the wilderness and the alpine lakes and use this Packraft up there, come down rivers, those kinds of things. And then this is also a seat that can be blown up. It provides some good stability for you as you're sitting in the Packraft and paddling. So yeah, so those are all the included things in this kit. Again, this is the Kokopelli Rogue Light. And you can see here they've got all kinds of different boats available. Packrafts, I should say. So check them out online at Kokopelli.com. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can check them out as well. And don't forget to check out my video on unpacking their alpine paddle. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next video.